Matics is the largest fleet safety provider in Ireland, one of the top 3 in the UK, and we are rapidly growing in the US market. So what does that mean exactly? It's our video-based safety solution. What's a video-based safety solution, you ask? Well, we're talking about 360-degree camera video visibility all around your vehicles with AI for in-the-moment driver correction. Using their phone, distracted, falling asleep, eyes are closing behind the wheel, stops that from happening in the moment, gets them on track to avoid accidents before they happen. Also blind spot detection. If you're driving large trucks and you have those blind spots, we can stream the left or right side camera lens when you flip on the turn signals, give you that visibility and open up those blind spots. Same with the rear-facing camera lens when you go into reverse. A lot of companies focus on dash cameras these days. That forward dash camera, driver-facing lens, those are great, better than no cameras, but 76% of accidents not captured by a dash camera. Get 3 other sides of your vehicle totally blind. So that's where Matics comes in, give you full visibility, 1 to 8 camera lenses per vehicle, complete visibility. So that's what we do. One of the bigger challenges in the fleet industry is getting a hold of people. No, I'm just kidding. Probably with tariffs. Honestly, ever since COVID, things in fleet industries have been a little bit slower. So got a lot of budget constraints with a lot of companies. Now with the tariffs cracking in, even more budget constraints. But I mean, when you find a company that is having problems where accidents are happening, or I mean, you got people jumping in front of, commercial vehicles on the freeway, slamming on their brakes, forcing accidents. That's just happening more and more these days. So when companies have problems that we can solve, I mean, when there's an ROI, it makes sense regardless of budget constraints because you're saving money that you're already spending. Yeah, just being able to verify what's happening. I mean, no more he said, she said situations. Companies without cameras in their vehicles just have to go based off of he said, she said, and 9 times out of 10, when your company vehicle is on the side of your vehicle, you're paying because you have the money and you're typically at fault unless you have verifiable video evidence that you're not. So that's something that we've been able to help tremendously with. Fleet managers and companies with big fleets, the prospects and the people that we work with are very easygoing, very loosey-goosey, humanize themselves very easily. Like yourself, for example, you got purple and green hair, you come out with a sparkling personality. It's awesome, and you get a lot of similar personalities in this industry. So people are great, and it kind of distracts you from business. You're working with humans.